Ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Tell me. Rajdeep was saying to me
Ma'am,
that.
the spell meaning. Ma'am,
What?
and what is that meaning? The mouse is in the hole.
Very good. Excellent. Which is the preposition, beta?
In.
In. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Which is the noun here?
The mouse and hole.
Mouse and hole. Okay. And which is the verb here?
Is.
And which is the article here?
The.
Very good. Yes, Udit, tell me which meanings you wanted to know. First is mail. Mail means like speed post. All those are called mail. When the package was delivered by some speed post or maybe by courier, that is called mail. And what else? Conversation. Conversation means when we speak about something, that is called conversation. For example, today we are having a conversation on prepositions. So what we are talking about? We are talking about prepositions. So this talking or speaking is called conversation. Is it clear, Udit? Very good.
Include means.
Include means when something is included. For example, if I say Amorto is included in the team, that means Amorto is in the team. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me the next one. Yashika, can you tell me an example with in, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Example within is the clothes are in the cupboard.
So, which is the preposition here, beta?
Ma'am, the preposition is in.
And which is the article here?
Ma'am, your voices are breaking.
Which is the article here? Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
Yashika, can you
The
tell me which
article is the.
article is the? Very good. And which is the noun here?
Noun is clothes and cupboard.
Clothes and
Cupboard.
clothes and cupboard. Okay. And which is the article here?
Article. Article I told to the.
And which is the verb here? Which is the verb here?
Are.
Very good. The clothes are in the cupboard. Excellent. Very good, Yashika. Okay, so I am
Thank you, ma'am.
done. You are most welcome, Beta. Okay, I'm done with everyone. Now you tell me, Udit, a sentence with in, beta.
Ma'am, in.
Yes. Tell me, Udit, a sentence with in.
The bat and ball are in the cricket store.
The bat and ball are in the cricket store. Very good. Okay. So which is the noun here?
Bat, ball,
Bat
and
and
cricket store.
cricket store. Which is the conjunction here?
Ma'am, what?
Which is the conjunction here?
And
And very good. Which is the article here?
the
The. Very good. Excellent. Now, Rajdeep, tell me a sentence with on beta.
cat is on the table.
The cat is on the table. So, which is the preposition here, beta?
On
Which is the verb here?
the cat. The is.
The cat is. Very good.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, only is.
Is. Very good. Which is the article here?
The
The. Very good. And very good. Excellent, beta. The cat is on the table. Udit, can you give me an example with on, beta?
on. The cat is on the table.
Tell me again.
The cat is on the table.
That already someone told me. I need a different example. That's Rajdeep told me.
The water bottle is in the no.
Tell me again.
The biscuits are on the table.
The biscuits are on the table. Now tell me which is the which is the noun here?
Biscuits table.
Biscuits table. Very good. Now tell me which is the preposition here?
On.
Yes, tell me.
On.
On. Very good. Which is the verb here? Which is the verb here?
Mm.
The biscuits are on the table. Which is the verb here?
Are.
Are. Very good. And which is the article here?
There are two the means the is in the first because the ball is in the table. There are two the.
Very good. Excellent. Now, Yashika.
Can I tell an example with on?
Amato, wait. Yashika, give me an example with on, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Samir Dusted the books kept on the bookshelf.
Tell me again.
Yes, ma'am. Samir dusted the books kept on the bookshelf.
Very good. Which is the preposition here?
On.
On. Very good. So which are the nouns here?
Samir, books and bookshelf.
Very good. Which is the verb here?
Dusted.
And which is the article here?
Article.
Yes.
Yes, the.
Very good. Excellent. Super. Okay. Now you tell me, Amuttu, an example with on.
Put the book on the table.
So which is the which is the preposition here, beta?
Put the book on the. On is a preposition.
Which is the article here?
The.
Okay. Which is the verb here?
Put.
Which are the nouns here?
Book and table.
Book and table. Excellent. Now, Avishikta, can you give me an example with on, beta?
The pen is on the table.
The pen is on the table. Very good, Avishikta. Okay. So, which is the noun here, beta?
Pen and table.
Pen and table. And which is the verb here?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
here is no verb.
How come you told me the pen is on the table?
Ma'am, can I tell which is the verb?
Yes, tell me. Wait, Tomato, don't tell me. Avishikta, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Each. Ma'am, each is be verb.
Yes, is a big verb. Very good. Okay, can you tell me which is the article here?
The.
The. Can you tell me which is the this thing? Which is the preposition here?
On.
Very good, excellent. Okay, now you tell me. Okay, Rajdeep has told me, Udit told me, Amantu told me, Avishikta told me, Yashika told me. So everyone has told me the example with on. Now, Rajdeep, can you tell me an example with at?
I eat rice at 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 12 p.m.
I ate rice at 12 p.m. Okay. So can you tell me which is the preposition in this sentence, beta?
At.
Okay. So which is the pronoun here, beta?
Ma'am, there will be no pronoun.
There will be no pronoun. No, there is a pronoun.
Ma'am, 12 p.m.
No, which is the pronoun? I am not asking the time. I ate rice at 12 p.m.
Ma'am,
Tell me, Rajdeep.
ma'am,
I. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Then, which is the verb here?
eat.
Eat.
Ma'am, I
Very
have
good.
sent you a message. I have
Wait,
sent
I'm
you a message.
checking. I ate rice. Which are the noun here?
Ma'am, I and rice.
Rice. Very good. Why bye bye, Omoto? You are leaving?
No,
Okay.
because it is 8 p.m. Because it is 8 p.m.
It will end in 1 minute, beta. I ate
So I
rice.
have to leave the
Very good, Rajdeep. It's correct. Okay, Omoto, give me an example with that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I live at Bakuda. Ma'am,
Yes,
I live
ma'am.
at Bakuda. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I live at Bakura. Very good, Omoto. Yes, tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I said. Ma'am,
He's
I
in
said.
the school. It's correct, Udit. It's correct. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Omoto, can you tell me? I live at Bakura. So which is the pronoun here?
I
Which is the verb here?
live
Which is the preposition here?
at
Which is the noun